Hi mga amiga! So, naata diri sa Old Montreal view. So,
Hi Bandang people!
you're talking with voice, ah. So, guys, ito ang pinakamagandang view sa Canada. Ito, at saka ito din yung mga tourist spot lang laging dito po pumupunta yung mga tao na nagvi-vacation dito sa Canada at saka yung nagdi-date dito marami. So, there's a lot of view. So, let's go. Take a look.
Okay, so first guys, we want to show you the street that we're parked on. Old Montreal is one of the first cities in North America, and it looks a lot like the old Europe. So
I explain in Visayan, you explain
okay, so
in
a lot of
English.
companies make movies over here because look at this, guys. This is not France. This is Montreal. Look at the road. Look at the churches. Look at the buildings. Pretty cool, eh? This is like old Montreal. Look at the rocks on the floor. Uh-oh. This is here. We're going to show you guys. Oh, it's I think out of business, but this is one of the oldest restaurants in North America over here.
Visaya version.
Oh. So if you guys see over here, this restaurant was built in 1725. That's the year 1725. Because of the COVID, it's closed. So thank you, COVID, for closing a restaurant hundreds of years old. That's my city.
So let's go this way.
Okay.
I think that way is good too. So let's go that way.
Let's go down there, and then we're gonna go down there.
Okay. So ito po ang napakagandang view dito sa Old Montreal. Hindi po wala pong masyadong tao kasi ano pa, still quarantine pa. Yan. Dito. Daghan ang muani diri para lang mag take of pictures, souvenirs. Tsaka dito nagpi-film yung mga tao pag ano for movies.
The closest place like this in the Philippines is Intramuros in Manila.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. So nindot ang view dito sa other side.
Tanaw pirate ship.
Tanaw pirate ship.
Oh.
Oh. Tanaw rollerblade.
Tanaw Sumbagay.
Onya dong kabalo kag sumbagay dong. So kini diri sa Pikas, diri ang mga boat sa summer. So klase-klaseng mga boat nga imong makita diri kay diri ang ginabutang ang mga boat. So daghan kayo mga tao diri guys basta summertime. Pero sa pagkakaroon nga panahon wala pa kay quarantine pa man. So but guys in summer pag maanhi ka diri guys ang mga tao diri ay murag pista. Traffic kaayos tanan. So mao ni siya ang view diri sa water. Makita nimo. So far wala pa kaayo daghan tao. So nindot siya paan og view. So si Dudong, busy si Dudong na yan text me. And moadto ta dito sa unahan. Makita nimo ang nice view sa unahan. So, nindot siya. Ilan?
Oh,
We're going that way?
oh. Dili.
Dili.
Ako pala po.
So you're gonna start talking Visayan, right? Okay, so you can talk. Say hi, bandang people. Kumusta ka?
Hi, bandang people.
Kumusta?
Palabog people. All the people.
No. They're not palahog.
Okay, so now
I like the view right there in the water.
edge, yeah. You see over there the how do you call that? The roller coasters?
Roller coaster, yeah?
Yeah, you see them over there?
Yeah.
That's the home.
So, it's much better og to kay kuan
Oh, look behind you.
init.
The
Yeah,
old building.
I could see it from here. It's nice. So, maadto ta dito sa Pikas para makita nato ang lain view sa Pikas nga area.
Hello.
Hawa.
Oh.
So, mauni siya ang sa Pikas nga area, guys. So, makita nimo ang tibuok Montreal. Libuto nato dito sa Pikas unya para makita nato ang tibuok view. So, muni siya diri dapit banda.
Follow me, guys. I want to show you. See, we live on an island. How do you say island of Visayan?
Ha?
How do you say island?
Isla.
Isla. Oh.
Isla.
So we live on our isla, and if you see this is the end of the isla. We're surrounded by water.
Bisaya version ilan para makasabot sila.
Okay, sige.
Okay, mga kaigsuunan, mga amiga, mga barkada, mauni siya ang side diri ang area. So makita nimo ang view sa tubig. Diri mas daghan-dagan ang mga tao diri Dong, hulati ko dong. Gauna-una man ka dong.
Like no one's wearing masks.
Yeah, just us wearing the mask because we're nice. We are nice. So, daghan tao diri diri ang area mas daghan tao diri ka dito sa Pikas. Overlooking manggod kaayo nindot ang view. So guys, mauni siya ang view diri Pero pag summer, wow, it's boom. Ang daming tao, etc. So this is the spot where people come in for dating, tourist spot, walking. It's a lot of view here.
That's true. We had our first or second date over here.
Where?
We had one of our first dates over here.
Everybody go here for a date. And have supper in the right side in the water.
That's right. Very nice restaurants.
It's super
And then you have restaurant
nice
boats.
view
You have these boats
with
that
the
offer you
water.
meals.
You get everything, and in the other side there is a trees.
Whoa.
Don't jump in the water. Be crazy in the other side, not in the other side.
Oh, it's still spinning.
I love this spot here. It's crazy view. How do I zoom them, Elan?
This.
Got it. Old Montreal. It's perfect view for walking.
Allá que está su pequeño.
Oh, Aylan, did you see that one there? It's a bit far.
Wait, fine.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
How do we zoom it?
The other way.
That way, okay. Let's go. Huh? Here we go. It's another nice view here. Here. Are you tired?
No.
You look so mad.
Why do I look mad?
Wow, it's very nice view right there. Okay, can you?
That's a big sailboat.
Huh?
It's a big sailboat.
Oh, that's sailboat. Okay.
Let's walk out.
Huh? So mauni ang view diri sa Old Montreal. Napakaganda. Napaka-fresh ng hangin. Napaka-fresh ng hangin. Ow! The view here, Aylan, it's look like New York. You see the building?
This city is older than New York.
Huh?
This is older than New York over here.
Yeah.
You see this building over here?
Yeah?
That's pointy over there with a green roof?
Yeah?
That's the first tall building in America.
Wow.
Before New York had the tall buildings, this is the first one.
Wow. So you walk here 4 to 5 o'clock and then you go right away to the restaurant for supper. What a perfect day for weekend, right? And you're having a grilled salmon right after.
Oh, you want grilled salmon?
We will see.
Yeah, I know exactly where.
We will see. Let's think about it.
Grilled salmon, veggies.
Lami, lami.
Isda barato. No one wants to buy my fish.
Huh?
That tall building there
Yeah?
is the first, as I mentioned, tall building in North America. 507 plus storm. Before New York had their tall buildings, we had the first one. She's very old. This is Indian stuff. Native American.
Yeah. It's very nice street.
All the streets over here are like this.
All street here, guys, it's all souvenirs. So
It's very touristy. Canada souvenirs.
Canada souvenirs, all souvenirs you could see.
Montreal,
in Montreal.
Canadians. This is my friend's store. See, in summertime, guys, Old Montreal is full of tourists. There's musicians everywhere.
It's true.
This is one of the best poutine places.
So after walking, guys, if you're hungry, just go in the right side. It's all restaurants everywhere. It's restaurants everywhere.
Ali. Ali, Ali.
Moi, j'aime bien ça.
Wanna go visit here? Let's go visit here.
What is in there? Guys, this is the famous street in the old Montreal. So
This is
din
called
hindi mo
Jacques
makita.
Cartier. And actually over here is where you have like artists everywhere.
Yes, artist, singer,
So
tanan amusement, tanan mga kalingawan makita ni mo diri ang street. So far sa
That's the city
pagkakaroon
hall over there.
mingaw pa.
that's the city hall, that building
City Hall, that building.
over here, but you're not looking at it. Over there.
Oh, right there. That
City Hall to
building. Ah, so far, very nice. Huh? Okay. So I think we're done here. Guys, diri ang nga street, guys. Famous ni siya nga street. Tanan tao makita nimo diri ang magtapok mura ni siya diri og traffic district, traffic ni siya diri Purmente. Pero dako ra kayo ang kalainan kay sa pagkakaroon ingaw pa kaayo siya. So og mawala na ning quarantine, guys, di na ka makalakaw diri tungod sa kabibo. Di na ka makaparking diri bisan asa kay walay parkingan, puno kaayo ni siya kada Sabado ug Domingo. Tapos ikaduha mal kayo ang parking diri ug mo parking ka sa duol, I think it's about 1,000 to 2,000 ang parking diri ug sa layo ka mag-parking, I think 1,000 to 1,500 ang parking. Pero mag-backlight ka 15 to 20 minutes away. So kini nga lugar, guys, this is really famous. So don't forget, this is the #1 tourist spot view.
It's not fucking dry.
Very nice. So tired walking. Love you guys. Hi guys, it's the best right spot right here to have for vacation. So don't forget guys, if you're coming to Canada, this is the right spot for you. It's Old Montreal. It's very nice view. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Canadian Tisay. Thank you. Where do you go? Ah, we're going home.
No, we're gonna eat something.
Di ka po na ka? Are you sure we're going home now? Sweetheart?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna stop by first some stores.
Oh yeah, we're going
Wanna buy
to
sopas, right?
Filipino store. Magpalit ta og sopas.
Grabe.
Why you don't wanna eat ice cream here?
Pagbisita Old sopas.
Magpalit ta og sopas.
Wow. Ang sabolita na?
Paborito?
Oh.
Ang akong paborito is number 1 sopas.
Everything is favorito. Sopas,
Sopas.
suman, putos,
Bingka.
bingka, tortas,
Torta,
binignit. I'm running out of fingers,
Binignit,
guys.
Shakoy,
Shakoy,
and pulis.
sisi, inisal.
Inasal, barbecue. Be careful, the ticket is very expensive.
It's okay, you have a lot of money.
No, I don't make money yet. Oh, you know what? This is very close to Chinatown. Right over there is
Yeah,
Chinatown.
Chinatown is right there. We're gonna see Chinatown. You're gonna see in the middle of the road the gates to Chinatown.